Welcome to the ultimate Monaco travel guide. Nestled on the French Riviera, Monaco is a city-state with a climate as warm as its people. It's a place where history, culture, and modern charm intertwine, creating an enchanting milieu that's hard to resist. During the course of this guide, we'll delve into a meticulously planned 5-day itinerary designed to help you experience the best of Monaco. So hold on tight and fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this thrilling journey through the heart of Monaco. Day 1 in Monaco is all about immersing yourself in the glitz and glamour of Monte Carlo and a visit to the iconic Casino de Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo, Monaco's most populous quartier, is a playground for the rich and famous. It's a world of opulence where the architecture is as grand as the personalities that frequent it. From the dazzling Hôtel de Paris to the elegant Opera de Monte Carlo, every corner of this district screams luxury. The streets are lined with high-end boutiques offering the latest in fashion, jewelry and more. So whether you're window shopping or splurging, it's a spectacle to behold. But the jewel in Monte Carlo's crown is, without a doubt, the Casino de Monte Carlo. This grand dame of gambling is a symbol of Monaco's prosperity and a beacon for those seeking a bit of thrill. It's not just a gaming hub, but a work of art, boasting a splendid facade that's a testament to Belle Époque architecture. Inside, you'll find lavishly decorated gaming rooms that transport you to a bygone era of sophistication and charm. And here's a little tip for you. Don't forget to try your luck at the roulette table. Who knows, you might just walk out a millionaire, but remember, as they say, the house always wins. So don't bet your plane ticket home. Monte Carlo isn't all glitz and glamour, though. It's also home to the famed Monte Carlo Opera and Ballet. So if you fancy a night of culture, consider catching a performance. It's quite the spectacle, even if you can't tell a pirouette from a plie. As the sun sets, Monte Carlo transforms into a vibrant nightlife hub with pulsating clubs and Michelin-star restaurants. It's the perfect place to end your day with a glass of champagne in hand, overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. Day 1 ends with a bang or a jackpot if you're lucky enough at the Casino de Monte Carlo. Day 2 takes us to the heart of Monaco's history and culture, with a stroll around the Prince's Palace and the charming old town, known as Le Rocher. Fasten your seatbelts, folks, because we're diving deep into the annals of Monaco's history, beginning with the Grand Prince's Palace. Established in the 13th century, this stately home has been the stronghold of the Grimaldi family for over 700 years. The palace is a splendid mix of architectural styles from the Renaissance to the 19th century, each era leaving its unique imprint. The grand staterooms, filled with precious artwork and opulent furnishings, are a sight to behold. But it's not all about the glitz and glamour. The palace also serves as the official residence of the reigning Prince of Monaco, a symbol of the principality's enduring sovereignty. Now, let's amble down to the Old Town, or Le Rocher, as it's fondly known. This historic district is a labyrinth of narrow, winding streets brimming with old-world charm. The sun-washed houses, quaint boutiques, and cozy cafes create an enchanting atmosphere, transporting you back to a simpler time. And if you're worried about getting lost, just remember the old saying, Le Rocher's streets are like a good mystery novel. You never know where they'll lead you, but you're guaranteed a thrilling ride. While in Le Rocher, don't forget to explore the St. Nicholas Cathedral, a striking 19th century edifice, and the final resting place of Princess Grace and Prince Rainier III. Also, the Oceanographic Museum, perched on the cliff edge, is well worth a visit. Just be careful not to fall off the edge while taking in the breathtaking views over the Mediterranean. As the sun sets over Monaco, you'll find yourself in a reflective mood. The day's journey through time, from the grandeur of the Prince's Palace to the rustic charm of Le Rocher, leaves you with a profound appreciation of Monaco's rich heritage and vibrant culture. Day 2 wraps up, leaving you with a sense of awe and respect for Monaco's rich history and culture. Day 3 is a deep dive into the Oceanographic Museum and a leisurely walk along the stunning Port Hercules. Our adventure today takes us first to the Oceanographic Museum, a revered institution that has been standing sentinel over the Mediterranean for over a century. This isn't just any museum, oh no, it's a veritable cathedral of the sea dedicated to marine science and ocean preservation. The museum houses a wealth of marine artifacts and exhibits that tell the tale of the sea and its myriad inhabitants. From the smallest plankton to the mightiest of sharks, this museum is a celebration of all things aquatic. The museum's pièce de résistance, however, is its aquarium. With over 6,000 specimens from 300 species, it's an immersive journey into the watery depths. There's an undeniable charm in watching the marine life in action, their colors more vibrant and movements more graceful than any ballet performance. From the mysterious depths of the sea, we ascend to the surface and make our way to Port Hercules. This port isn't just a place where boats anchor. It's a testament to Monaco's maritime history and its enduring relationship with the sea. All year round, Port Hercules is a bustling hub of activity, playing host to yachts from around the world. As you stroll along the port, you'll see the cityscape of Monaco unfurl before your eyes. The yachts bobbing gently on the waves, the sun glinting off the azure waters, and the laughter and chatter of people enjoying their day. It's a sensory delight. Port Hercules is also the heart of Monaco's social scene. From the Formula One Monaco Grand Prix to the Monaco Yacht Show, it's a place where glamour and elegance meet. It's not uncommon to spot celebrities here, soaking up the Mediterranean sun. Day 3 concludes with the setting sun and the gentle waves at Port Hercules. As the day draws to a close, the port takes on a dreamy hue. The setting sun paints the sky in shades of pink and orange, the yachts cast long shadows on the water, and the port lights begin to twinkle. It's the perfect end to a day spent exploring Monaco's maritime treasures. Day 4 is about relaxation at Larvotto Beach and serenity in the Japanese garden. As dawn breaks, we find ourselves at the doorstep of Larvotto Beach, Monaco's only public beach. Imagine a stretch of pristine sand, kissed by the gentle waves of the Mediterranean Sea, with the sun casting a warm golden glow over everything. Larvotto Beach is a haven for both locals and tourists alike, offering an idyllic spot to unwind and soak in the scenic beauty. Picture yourself lounging on a deck chair, with the soft sand under your toes and the lullaby of the lapping waves as your soundtrack. But be warned, my friends, the sun here can be a sneaky fellow. You might think you're just getting a healthy dose of vitamin D, but before you know it, you could end up looking like a well-done lobster. So don't forget your sunscreen unless you fancy being the main course at a beach barbecue. As the heat of the day subsides, we move from the sun-kissed sands to the tranquil oasis of the Japanese garden. This masterpiece, designed by Yasuo Beppu, is a perfect blend of Zen philosophy and Mediterranean charm. Each element, from the placid pond to the quaint bridges to the meticulously groomed plants, is designed to evoke a sense of peace and harmony. The garden is a sensory delight where you can hear the soft murmur of the water, see the vibrant colors of the flora, and smell the intoxicating fragrance of the blossoms. Walking through this serene landscape feels like stepping into a Japanese painting, a world away from the hustle and bustle of the city. So, whether you're meditating by the koi pond or simply strolling along the stone pathways, the Japanese garden offers a soothing respite to the soul, a chance to reconnect with nature and oneself. Day 4 ends with a tranquil sunset and the soothing sounds of the Japanese garden. As the sun dips below the horizon and the sounds of the city fade, we bid adieu to another fantastic day in Monaco. Tomorrow, the adventure continues. Day 5 is a thrilling ride on the Grand Prix circuit, followed by an exquisite culinary experience. Imagine, you're behind the wheel, heart pounding, as you cruise along the same hallowed asphalt that has seen decades of Formula One champions. The Grand Prix circuit of Monaco isn't just a track, it's a piece of motorsport history, and the best part? It's not restricted to professional drivers. So, feel free to unleash your inner Lewis Hamilton, but remember, unlike in the Grand Prix, the speed limit still applies here. Wouldn't want you to have your trip end with a Monaco-sized speeding ticket, would we? After the adrenaline rush, it's time to wine and dine. Monaco is a gastronome's paradise. From Michelin-starred restaurants to charming local bistros, the city offers a culinary journey that's as diverse as it's delicious. Savor the flavors of the Mediterranean with a touch of French elegance and an Italian flair, all while enjoying breathtaking views of the Riviera. Whether you're a fan of seafood, a lover of pasta, a connoisseur of gourmet cuisine, or simply an adventurous eater, Monaco's dining scene will leave you spoilt for choice. And let's not forget the wine. Each meal is perfectly paired with the finest vintages from around the world. Day 5 concludes our journey, leaving you with unforgettable memories and a taste for the finer things in life.